Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. Question is the instruction that the device has to be plugged in. There is four different option and first option is assure. Second option the instruction state. Third option same. And fourth option probably. So the correct answer of this question, the instruction assure is false. Second option, the instruction state to be the device has to be plugged in is the correct option. Third option is also false and fourth option is also false. The instruction state that the device has to be plugged in is the correct sentence. So friend, this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.